My anti-aging skin routine was questionable. I tried pretty much every regimen I saw online. As I got older, I started noticing fine lines and wrinkles and the dark spots. My medicine cabinet was like a revolving door of skincare products. After I started using Curology, I noticed results within just a couple weeks. My skin is smoother, it feels more plump, it has this really nice glow. I started to notice the disappearance of the fine lines around my eyes. Getting your formula from Curology is really straightforward. I went to Curology.com, created an account, checked off the skin issues that I wanted to work on, answered a few simple questions about my skin and health history, took a few photos of my skin. I was paired with a real licensed provider who prescribed a formula specifically for me. She gave me 3 active ingredients in the right amounts for my skin. There's a 30-day trial, so why not try it? People at work have definitely commented on my skin. Not an insignificant number of them are now using Curology.